Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your graphics card cable. First, prioritize safety by completely turning off and unplugging your computer from the wall outlet. Next, carefully remove the side panel of your computer case to gain access to the internal components. Locate the primary PCIe slot on your motherboard, which is typically the longest slot, designed specifically for your new graphics card. This initial preparation ensures a safe and smooth installation process. Once your computer case is open, remove any metal slot covers from the back of the case that correspond to where your graphics card will sit. Carefully align the graphics card with the PCIe slot on your motherboard, ensuring the gold contacts line up perfectly. Gently but firmly press the card down until it clicks into place. Finally, secure the card to the computer case using the provided screw or the case's latching mechanism for stability. Many modern graphics cards require dedicated power from your power supply unit. You will typically find 6-pin or 8-pin PCIe power connectors on your card, sometimes a combination. Identify the correct cables from your power supply and firmly plug them into the corresponding ports on the graphics card. Ensure each connector clicks securely into place, as a loose connection can cause instability or prevent the card from functioning correctly. Proper power delivery is crucial for optimal performance. With the graphics card installed and powered, carefully close your computer case and reconnect all external peripherals, including your keyboard, mouse, and power cable. Crucially, connect your monitor cable directly to one of the output ports on your new graphics card, not the motherboard. Power on your computer, and once it boots, install the latest graphics drivers from the manufacturer's website to ensure optimal performance and stability for your new hardware.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.